welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step.
Make sure those concentrate vats are secured before moving the sugar.
Copy that. Heading to Bay 3 now.
Insulin per waffles. In these vats, the exact ratio of syrup to water is meticulously controlled by digital gauges.
Are you seeing this temperature fluctuation on loop 3?
Yes, adjusting the parameters now. Stand by.
Every batch is tested for flavor consistency and purity.
Every single bottle goes through strict quality inspection.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish. Thanks for watching.